What if you could skyrocket your stamina in just 5 days? Sounds too good to be true? Welcome to the Stamina Secret, the revolution that's about to transform your everyday life. Stamina, as we know it, is the backbone of our daily activities. It's the fuel that powers us through our routines, the fire that ignites our performance, and the life force that helps us conquer each day with vigor and vitality. Yet, it's a concept widely misunderstood. Many of us are under the impression that stamina is just about physical endurance. We associate it with marathon runners, heavyweight boxers, or anyone who seems to have an inexhaustible supply of energy. But the truth is, stamina encompasses so much more. It's about mental fortitude, emotional resilience, and the will to keep pushing forward no matter the odds. But here's the best part, stamina isn't an exclusive club. You don't need to be a top-tier athlete or a fitness fanatic to reap its benefits. Whether you're a busy parent juggling multiple responsibilities, a student grappling with late-night study sessions, or a professional striving for peak performance, stamina is your best ally. It's the secret weapon that can help you power through your days with ease and efficiency. Now what if I told you that there's a way to supercharge your stamina, to take it from ordinary to extraordinary and all in just 5 days? Yes, you heard it right. 5 days is all it takes to revolutionize your stamina. And no, it's not about grueling workouts or drastic lifestyle changes. It's about small, manageable steps that lead to big leaps in stamina. So are you ready to unlock this secret? Are you prepared to unleash your potential and catapult your stamina to new heights? If the answer is a resounding yes, then buckle up. We're about to embark on an exhilarating journey, a 5-day revolution that's going to transform your stamina like never before. Get ready to unleash your potential as we dive into the 5-day stamina revolution. Day 1, hydration. Water. It's not just for plants, indeed it's not. When it comes to boosting stamina, the magic elixir we often overlook is water. Water is to the human body what oil is to a well-oiled machine. It's the key component that keeps our muscles working, our bodies efficient, and our stamina high. You see, our bodies are made up of about 60% water. It's in every cell, every tissue, every organ. It's involved in nearly every bodily function, from regulating temperature to aiding digestion. But when it comes to stamina, water's role is especially vital. It aids in the transportation of nutrients to our cells, providing them with the energy they need to function at their best. It helps to remove waste products, preventing fatigue, and it keeps our joints lubricated, reducing the risk of injury and enabling us to keep going for longer. However, maintaining proper hydration isn't just about guzzling down gallons of water. It's about drinking the right amount at the right times. A good rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. But if you're exercising or it's a hot day, you'll need to increase that. Drink a couple of glasses of water a couple of hours before you exercise and keep sipping during and after your workout to replace any fluids lost through sweat. Now, it's also important to be aware of the signs of dehydration. These can include a dry mouth, fatigue, dizziness, and dark-colored urine. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's a signal from your body that it needs more water, so don't ignore it. So there you have it. Hydration is the first step on your journey to increased stamina. It's simple, it's effective, and it's something we can all easily incorporate into our daily routines. Remember, hydrate to dominate, and see you on day 2. Day 2, protein, the building blocks of your body. We've all heard the buzz about protein, but do we really understand its significance? It's not just a fad or a trend. Protein is a vital component of every cell in our bodies. It helps to repair tissues, construct enzymes and hormones, and importantly for our mission, it plays a crucial role in building and repairing muscles. Think about your muscles like a wall. Each brick represents a protein, and together they form a strong and sturdy structure. But if you're constantly pushing your body, breaking down those bricks with intense workouts and demanding physical activity, you're going to need some replacements, right? That's where protein steps in, acting as the builder that replenishes the worn-out bricks, ensuring your muscle wall remains robust and resilient. Protein is not just about muscle recovery though, it also serves as a source of energy. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids. These amino acids can then be used to fuel your body, giving you that extra push you need to power through a challenging workout, or a long day. Now let's talk about protein-rich foods. We're talking lean meats like chicken and turkey, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and nuts. And if you're plant-based, there's no need to fret. Foods like tofu, lentils, and quinoa are packed with protein. When it comes to timing, Consuming protein after your workout is key. This is when your muscles are most receptive to nutrients, making it the perfect time to fuel up. But don't forget about the rest of the day. Aim to include protein in each meal to keep your body fueled and your muscles well fed. So here's your mission for day 2. Power up with protein. Whether you're whipping up a post-workout smoothie, snacking on a handful of almonds, or grilling a lean steak for dinner, make protein a priority. So fuel up with protein and prepare for day 3. Day 3, sleep. Your body's natural recharge station. You see, sleep is not just about closing your eyes, it's a critical part of your fitness journey, especially when it comes to boosting stamina. It's during this time that your body goes into repair and recovery mode, healing the wear and tear from the day's activities, rebuilding your muscles stronger than before, and recharging your energy reserves. Quality sleep is a powerful ally for your stamina. It's a time of physical recovery when your body restores energy levels and repairs muscle tissues. Imagine it as a pit stop in a race, where your body refuels and gets a tune-up, preparing you for the next leg of your journey. But it's not just about physical recovery. Sleep also contributes to mental sharpness. A well-rested mind is a sharp mind, and a sharp mind can push the body to perform better, to run that extra mile, to lift that extra weight. It's a mental edge that can carry you further in your stamina-building journey. So, how do we improve sleep quality? Well, first off, establish a regular sleep schedule. Your body loves routine, and going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can enhance your sleep quality. Next is your sleep environment. Make it as comfortable and as conducive to sleep as possible. A dark, quiet, and cool room can do wonders. Then consider your evening habits. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Instead, opt for a light snack and calming activities like reading or meditating. Finally, remember that physical activity during the day can promote better sleep at night. So don't skip your workouts. Sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity, especially when you're on a mission to increase your stamina. So, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. It's the secret weapon in your stamina-building arsenal. Sleep deep tonight and we'll tackle day 4 tomorrow. Day 4, it's time to feel the burn. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a form of cardiovascular exercise that's all about short, intense bursts of exertion, followed by periods of lower-intensity exercise. This workout trend has skyrocketed in popularity for a good reason. It's a fantastic way to boost stamina. Essentially, HIIT is designed to get your heart rate up and keep it there. It's about pushing yourself to your limit for a short period, then cooling down before doing it all over again. This type of training can be applied to running, cycling, swimming, or any other form of cardio. And the best part, you don't need any fancy gym equipment. Here's a simple HIIT routine you can do at home, no equipment required. Start with a warm-up of light jogging or jumping jacks for 5 minutes. Then, amp it up to a sprint or high knee runs for 30 seconds, pushing yourself as hard as you can. Follow this with a minute of low-intensity movement like walking or slow jogging. Repeat this high and low-intensity cycle for 10 to 15 minutes, then cool down with a gentle 5-minute stretch. The beauty of HIIT is that it challenges your cardiovascular system, forcing it to adapt and become more efficient. The result? Improved stamina. You'll find that over time you can go harder, go longer, and recover faster. It's important to remember that HIIT is intense. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard too soon. And always make sure to stay hydrated and fuel up with high-quality protein for recovery. So, are you ready to feel the burn? Remember, this is a challenge, not a competition. Everyone's fitness journey is unique. Push through the burn and you're one step closer to unparalleled stamina. See you on day 5. Day 5, mental strength. It's all in your head. We've arrived at the final day of our stamina-boosting journey, and it's time to delve into an often overlooked aspect of fitness: mental fortitude. You see, your mind is the control center of your body. It's the driving force behind your every move. When your legs are screaming for rest during that last mile, it's your mind that pushes you forward. When your muscles are crying out during that final set, it's your mind telling you, yes, you can. So, enhancing your mental strength is critical to boosting your stamina. One powerful technique to bolster your mental strength is visualization. Picture yourself running that extra mile or lifting that heavier weight. Imagine the feeling of triumph as you surpass your previous limits. This mental rehearsal primes your brain for success, enabling you to push through barriers and reach new heights of stamina. Now, let's talk about positive self-talk. Have you ever noticed how the words you use impact your actions? If you tell yourself "I can't," your body will believe it. But if you proclaim, "I can and I will," your body will rise to the challenge. So, fill your mind with positive affirmations. Tell yourself that you're strong, resilient, and capable of achieving your fitness goals. This positive self-talk will fuel your determination and drive, helping you to push past fatigue and further increase your stamina. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool, and you have the ability to shape it. Train it like you would your muscles. Strengthen it with visualization and positive self-talk. Push it to overcome challenges, and it will push your body to do the same. Master your mind, and you've mastered your stamina. But wait, there's more. We've covered a lot of ground in these past 5 days, but our journey to increase stamina doesn't end here. Stay tuned for what's next. You've made it through the 5-day stamina revolution, but the journey doesn't stop here. This journey, my friends, is one of continuous growth, constant improvement, and unending stamina development. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon, and every step you take brings you closer to your peak physical potential. Let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey you've embarked on over the past 5 days. On day 1, we learned the power of hydration, how it fuels your muscles and helps them recover faster. A hydrated body is a happy body, and a happy body can push its boundaries further and faster. Then on day 2, we powered up with protein. We explored the importance of this essential nutrient in muscle repair and growth. Remember, protein isn't just for bodybuilders and weightlifters, it's a key player in stamina enhancement too. Next, we tackled the importance of sleep on day 3. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's about recovery, rejuvenation, and regeneration. The power of a good night's sleep should never be underestimated. It's when our bodies do their best work in repairing and building our muscles, preparing us for the challenges of a new day. On day 4, we ramped up the intensity with high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This type of training pushes you to your limit, but it also skyrockets your stamina. It's tough, it's challenging, but oh, is it rewarding. Finally, on day 5, we dove into the power of the mind. Mind over matter isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a lifestyle. It's about pushing through the pain, the exhaustion, and the doubt, and coming out stronger on the other side. It's about realizing that you are capable of so much more than you ever thought possible. So here we are, at the end of our 5-day journey, but this is just the beginning. If you continue to incorporate these practices into your daily life, you'll start to see improvements in your stamina. You'll feel stronger, more energetic, and more capable. You'll be able to push yourself further, faster, and harder, and before you know it, you'll be breaking your own records. But hold on a minute. What if I told you there's an even more effective method to boost your stamina? Yes, you heard that right. We've got more tricks up our sleeve, and we're excited to share them with you. So stay tuned for our next video to discover the ultimate stamina secret. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to subscribe to BodyMax to never miss an update. We're here to help you reach your maximum potential, and we can't wait to see what you'll achieve. Until next time, keep pushing, keep striving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself.